Well, hello YouTubers, how you guys doing? Today's home appliances video is here to get a better view of this classic Vax Model 121 full kit wet dry canister vacuum right here. Anyway, as I said, here's the full kit for it. Right here is the wet tools, and then here's the dry tools. There's not that much. I got it hooked up in dry mode right now. Anyway, I'll show you right here. I'm just going to take the motor unit off to show you. And right here is its shakeout bag. You can just, when it's full, you can just take it off and shake it out. You can also get paper bags for this, but it's hard for me to find it because this vacuum is very old. And one more thing right here is it's supposed to have a large filter right here where you can just tap it out and clean it. But anyway, that's been lost. Well, I still use it that way. It's nothing that can affect the performance of this vacuum. So great. Still works as of 2013. One more thing I'd like to mention, that red light is just to let you know that it's been plugged in, if anyone's wondering about that. But anyway, on with the full kit tools. Right here is the tool that you replace on the dry one with the tap out. It's supposed to have a tap out filter. This is the one used for the wet tool attachment. Here's its main floor cleaner, then the upholstery one. Then here is its main tube. And then there's another end that goes right there. This part right here is filled in with water. Then here's its special Auto Mop feature. Hard to see because it's all wrapped in plastic. And here it is. I do have that little mop pad for it, but I'll show all this stuff later in its appropriate part of the video. I'll have to cut away because I'm doing this video with the dry vacuum. Here's its dry tools. It's not that much. It's just have a dusting brush, the upholstery nozzle, and the crevice tool. Right now it's got the main floor head hooked up with the 2 extension wands. Well, anyway, and right here is its suction control. You just pull it down to take out some suction. But anyway, and also on the floor head there are little brushes on it. Show up right here. These buttons let you control the brushes. That just flips them back in, and the other one flips them out. Now I'll go ahead and show it to you operating now. Excuse this, I'll have to move it closer to me. Surprisingly, it's an amazing cleaner on carpets with just straight suction. And just to be safe right here, I'll have to twist it the other way. I'll show you the bare floor. You have to flip the brushes out. Then simply go back to carpet mode, put the brushes back in. Okay, I'll show you the suction. The suction reliever. I usually like to have it full suction, because I like to get as much power as possible. Anyway, I'll go ahead and shut it down here. And now, I'll stop the video right now and show you the wet mode later. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to do before we continue on is I'm going to show you the the other dry attachments. I just forgot to do that. But anyway, I'll then power it up. I'll then show you the crevice tool. For the upholstery tool. I just tried to release some of the suction. Now for the dusting brush. Now I'm going to show you the wet mode a little later. It's going to be a big process I have to go through, so we'll stop right. Alright, and now we're back. Now, I got the wet mode all set up, and what I had to do, I'll go ahead and show you real fast. I'll take the motor unit off, just to show you what I've done. I hooked that other container thing that you just saw earlier when I was using the dry mode, and I filled this portion with water. Then I ran a little tube from the head right here, as you can see where it's hooked into the main suction head. Well, there's a little tube right there. I'll just show you how it works a little bit. Then I ran a long tube all the way up, did 2 extension wands, which back up to the head where this little trigger is that you can slide up and down like this. And then I ran it from the hose into a little hookup portion right here. Then the other tube just lays down, so water can flow down, get sprayed out from there, then get sucked up. So, and also there's a little ball right down there that rises up and cuts off the suction to let you know that it's full and needs to be dumped out. Anyway, and also if you have just a stray spill, you could actually hook up the dry mode without putting the hose, that tiny little pipe thing in. But anyway, I'm going to use it for washing the carpet, and you can use this just like a normal steam vac. There's a little spot right here. Plus also I did change locations. I am outside, so please pardon the city noise. Then power it up. We'll get to it. Now the way you can do this is you could either like spray it, pull the trigger like this, or just slide it forward and water will flow down, just squirt it back there, and then when you pull it back, it sucks it right out. You could also just pull the trigger just like a normal steam vac. Hold on, I've got to close the suction, so now it'll suck up better. Also, since this carpet's outside, it's going to be very dirty. and move it freely. Go ahead and show you up close. And I never got to mention the head is clear, so you can see the water sucking up. Now I'll show you the little upholstery tool in action. Let me just set this down, try not to get my camera wet. And we'll take off the main floor attachment. Now we'll put on the little crevice attachment. Just to show you that it works the same. And just put the tube in. One more thing, this is not the most beautiful way I set up the thing. Slide the controller on and do it freely. The wet mode. Turn it off. Now we're going to show you the Auto Mop feature later. Alright, now we're back. I got the Auto Mop hooked up. And the thing is, this right here is the part where the suction, the water flows through, as you can see right here. But the only problem is, I've tried it earlier, but now I can't get the tube to work. And anyway, so I had to just wet the mop pad. So I'll still be able to demonstrate it. And on the other side right here is the suction port, where you can just suck up the water. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that to you. And now what you would mainly do is you can squeeze the trigger here. I know it's not going to work. But anyway, you squeeze the trigger and slowly go over the surface that you're mopping. This is actually linoleum flooring I'm using to demonstrate. As you can see, there's some water forming. Then what you do is just flip it over. Sorry that the pad just fell off. And just suck it up. Just like that. Anyway, I have to stop the video right away because my camera is just almost dead. So, hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to stay tuned. There's a lot more where that came from. Take care, guys.